So they want to come now with this juryless trial. They want to take away the right of citizens in this country to have an option to say, I want a jury trial. Why is that important to you? You say, well, I'm not going to do nothing bad, so I wouldn't end up in no court. I wouldn't have to worry about jury and judge and so on. No, no, no. Under this PNM, anything could happen. And this is a strike to the heart of our democracy and freedoms, fundamental rights in Trinidad and Tobago. They want to take away the right of an accused to opt for a jury trial. And how they want to do it? Through their simple majority, just as they did with extending the local government life for a year. Many reasons why we should keep that jury mode of trial. Our law has always been, it's in the preamble of our Constitution, that is the opportunity for the ordinary man and woman to participate in the criminal justice system. That's how you participate. You participate through the jury trial. So a person will be tried by their peers from amongst the people of the land. From the time of the Magna Carta, some of you historians will remember that well. I know Kirk may will remember that well. That was 1100 years ago. 1100 years ago, Magna Carta, June 1215 the year. 1100 years ago. Any accused of a criminal offense has always been judged by his peers. That is by the people, always. That is by jury, by your peers. They understand the man in the street and his conditions of existence. The jurors come from the bowels of society. Thirdly, a judge sometimes is locked away in an ivory tower. I do not mean it with any disrespect, but they are isolated from the cut and thrust of everyday living, because that's part of their job. They cannot be seen to be fraternizing and liming, and they are in an isolated place. And so sometimes they're so far removed from day-to-day reality and their own psychosocial development and influence, they may come most times from an entrenched class. And that is why you have to be tried by ordinary men and women. Yes, the judge will be there, but that's where the jury trial is important. There may be some who will say a judge can be controlled or interfered with. But if you have a jury of 12 people, it's kind of real hard to interfere with those 12 people. You may be placing a judge's life in danger, doing a serious criminal matter, and judge alone, you may harm that judge. But again, if you have 12 jurors, the possibility of harming all 12 of those jurors is further removed. I know Hines said something. Judges have criminals as their friends. Tonight, I want to totally reject and condemn that statement. That attack on the judiciary. And another point on this, why we need the jury trials for those who want them. There's a famous judge, Lord Devlin. He gave some lectures, and one of them was about trial by jury. The 8th series of what is known as the Hamlin Lectures, and I quote from Lord Devlin. The object of any tyrant would be to overthrow or diminish the trial by jury, for it is a lamp that shows that freedom lives. Trial by jury is a lamp that shows that freedom lives.